stretched out and you're waiting for the wind to blow. You're standing on the mountain top, a terrazzo on the valley below. I promise you a steady love, strong enough, it won't cave in. I'll be with you wherever you dare to go until the end.
That's crazy.
I know, man.
What's
Spillway.
The parking down here.
It's $10 parking down here. It's free up there.
That is pretty serious. Look how low the water is. So we are at Hoover Dam.
Look at the line there.
I know.
On the rocks.
That's so a boat can't come across.
No. I mean on the rocks.
Oh,
you
yeah,
can see where the water line is.
Yeah, as high as
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So
It shows you how far down it's come.
yeah, you can see the behind me. You can see like the high water line right there, where the light rocks are.
Nuts.
And that was 1983.
Danger. Keep off wall.
We found out.
What? They don't want me climbing.
Last time that it went over the spillway was in 1983 when Ronald Reagan was president, and it was 93 cents a gallon for fuel. I remember that because, well, I'm old. This is like do not pass snowplow on right.
You don't think I should like go out there and climb it?
Don't let this happen to you right here.
Yeah, did you record this one? Keep off the
Yeah.
Man, that's pretty. This is cool.
That'd be quite the slide, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to do that slide.
That'd be a butt slide.
So wait a second.
That'd be a burner.
Is one side or the other Arizona?
Check this out. That is pretty crazy.
They're going to stop it, so all these people
Don't let this happen to you.
Security in the UK.
Yeah,
I don't like heights.
Okay.
Don't take that last step. It's a doozy.
Oh, that's too big.
Yeah, it says danger, don't sit on the wall. I wonder why. Wonder why you wouldn't want to sit on the wall.
I mean, I might want to walk down the wall and see if
Well, you know, there's probably some kid out there that like wants to rollerblade across the top of it. Like Evel Knievel.
What's that?
Oh, there's probably some kid that wants to ride his bike across that sucker.
Yeah, well, you couldn't
Like
ride
Evel
your bike
Knievel.
because he-
So in 1983, the water was right
Yeah,
to there. And now
yeah.
it's down there.
That's like 50 feet.
Oh, dude, that's way more than 50 feet. That's like 150 feet. Not open. We were in Rock Creek in '83. We were in Denver in '84.
must not be open on Sundays.
Everybody else is taking the elevator. I'm taking the stairs. That's not that many. What do you think of that? Rail may be hot, workers are below. Do not throw objects. So I guess my idea to pee off the side wasn't optimal. Besides, I'd be peeing on myself. The wind's just whipping up here.
These brave characters called
I think these things are crazy the way they're tipped over. They look like they're gonna fall on it. The leaning tower of something. Wow, look at that. It's just so far down. Hope you're not
Far down it is.
there is the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will.
150 feet tunnel here.
I'm excited.
I have to lay this tile.
I know, right?
Check that out.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Bureau Reclamation, welcome to the Nevada side of the power plant. Now, you guys just came through the Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam stands 726.4 feet tall. It spans across Black Canyon 1,244 feet, measuring the top curvature. Top of the dam, 45 feet thick. That allows a 2-lane road over it.
So we just got done with a tour. Pretty cool, seeing the hydroelectric power plant. We'll show you guys the video that I took down there, and pretty fun. Nice place. Glad we're not here in the middle of the heat of the day.